Hey guys, so a skill that's taken me 4 months all up to learn and to practice has now given me the ability to earn $1,000 if I wanted to in like in 1 minute. This is crazy. Okay, so what this is it's a demo account. It's only on 25 grand. However, I am going to be getting funded 100 grand after completing my 100 grand challenge. So on a 100 grand account, we're looking at right now 1% gain already in my trade, which is $300 nearly. Okay. I'm aiming for about 6% in this trade, and I think it's definitely going to be reached. On 25 grand, that's about 1,500. At 100 grand, yeah, do your maths. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy good. I'm so excited. And this is on ETH. ETH is just going crazy too. But the strategy I'm using will work on any instrument at all. I just like to trade cryptos at the moment. There you have it, folks.